did it anyways, tried. And Case, I love you a lot. And I can't believe we've been in a band together for as long as we have. And have not murdered each other yet. And this is the opposite of the Oasis show that's happening this weekend. I actually hear them getting along really, really well. The song's called Follow the Sound of My Voice. Follow the sound of my voice. I'm right here. I'm right here. Follow the sound of my voice. Dry your tears. I'm right here. Right here. There's a red kite in a dead tree in the park, like something straight out of French New Wave movie. There's a mother with a toddler in her arms, wondering how she's gonna raise that baby. Doctors spelled out all their medical jargon. Aggressive retinal degeneration. She stares at that kite while the words ring in her head. Sorry man, your son will never see again. She points a finger at that kite stuck in that tree. She says, baby, come on, baby, can't you see? See how high it is, how bright it is, how it shines against the sky. Can you see it if you try? But he says, I can't see, darling. She says, follow the sound of my voice. I'm right here, I'm right here. Follow the sound of my voice. Dry your tears. I'm right here, right here. There's an acne-covered teenage terror upstate in New York's blind piano prodigy. All kids call him the next Ray Charles. He plays in a band with his little brother. His brother guides him by the shoulder through these loud and crowded venues, trying to steer their drunken ship through the night. And it hurts a little more each time he watches his big brother try to find his own way up on that stage. He says, I can't help you. Let me help you. Follow the sound of my voice. I'm right here. I'm right here. Follow the sound of my voice. Dry your tears. I'm right here. Right here. when I feel like I am stumbling in the dark, and I get lost inside this great big world, when I feel like I'm invisible, like nobody cares, you're always there, saying I can see you, I can see you. Follow the sound of my voice, right here, I'm right here.